How to withdraw money from Coinbase to your bank account. You want to open up the Coinbase app, and here we'll just click on the second icon at the bottom, which looks like a clock. You will be able to see crypto and cash. So for example, here, let's say that we want to transfer some cash. We will click on the transfer button at the bottom, and you will see all these options: send crypto, receive crypto, deposit cash, or withdraw cash. We want to select transfer funds to your bank, and here we will type the amount which we want to transfer from Coinbase to our bank. So let's say we want to withdraw 20 euros, and we'll have to transfer to a payment method which we have added. So click on transfer to, and you will see credit or debit card. So if you want to invest smaller amounts, you can use credit or debit card. You can do PayPal, or you can do bank account here, Euro bank account. And here you will click on continue, and if you have connected or if you have verified your identity, you will be able to transfer your money to your bank account, or you can, again, like I said, transfer to a credit or debit card that is connected to your bank. So here it's going to show up the screen for the card number, expiration date, CVC, and you can type it here. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.